In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download an application to actually do this conversion. Now, one really good and free application is called Coinbase, and if you are in the crypto space, chances are you probably already have this application. But if you don't have this app, then it is completely free to use, and all you need to do is create an account. Anyways, guys, once we're over here, we're going to be pressing on the bottom right button over here that says transfer. Then we're going to go ahead and select on receive crypto. From here, go ahead and select on the cryptocurrency that you are trying to withdraw money from to transfer into your bank account. So for this video, we're going to be working with Solana. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on Solana like so. So it is now going to give me my address to receive Solana. So I'm just going to go ahead and just press on copy like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up Phantom Wallet. All right, guys. So here I am in Phantom Wallet. So all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pressing on this button over here that says send. Then I'm going to go ahead and select on Solana because that is the crypto we are working with. But obviously you can go ahead and put in whichever one you are trying to withdraw money for. So all you need to do is you need to go ahead and paste in your wallet address. Now, if this is your first time ever doing this, you might get a yellow screen that looks like this. But guys, you want to be very careful. You want to make sure that you do use the right crypto address because otherwise you might lose your crypto forever. So just please keep that in mind. Anyways, guys, all you want to do here is you want to go ahead and press on next and select on how much of Solana you would like to sell. So I'm just going to be selecting on max just like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on next. And then once you confirmed everything, go ahead and press on this button over here that says send. And now it will begin to send your Solana or your cryptocurrency to that wallet. And then it will say sent just like so. Then you can go ahead and press on close. All right, so it took like a couple of minutes, but now my Coinbase wallet is actually updated. And over here, as you're able to tell, we do see the funds for the Solana that we did just recently get. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on the bottom left button over here that says buy and sell. And this time we're going to go ahead and select on sell just like so. And then here's our Solana that we did just transfer from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So all we're going to be doing from here is we're going to go ahead and just sell any amount of Solana. So go ahead and select on the amount and then go ahead and select on where you actually want this fund to go to. So for this, I'm going to be using my cash USD balance like so. And once you're done with that, go ahead and press on review order. Then go ahead and press on sell now just like so. And then there you go. It now says order submitted. So go ahead and press on done. All right, so then go back to the home screen, then go to the bottom left again and select on transfer. This time, go ahead and select on withdraw cash. From here, all you want to do is you want to withdraw the amount of money that you did put. So remember, we did put our funds into our US dollar wallet. So yep, here's all of our funds. So we need to go ahead and select on how much of our funds we want to send to our bank account from here. And over here where it says transfer to, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and add your bank account. So I already have my bank account right over here, but basically you need to go ahead and select on your bank account. And then once you're done with that, you should be good to go. But basically you need to go ahead and select on your bank account. And from there, all you need to do is press on preview. And then it's going to ask you to confirm everything. And from there, you guys are able to transfer money from Phantom to your bank account. So unfortunately, my bank account is having some issues at the moment, but yours should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.